Alrighty, we are starting lesson 20 and we're talking about volume. There's not much really to go over except for some examples. But first, before we start off, I want you to see that the volume of a three-dimensional shape is the area of the base times the height. You'll find this on page 87. In a little box, volume of a right solid, it says the volume of a right solid is equal to the area of the base times the height. Okay, so we are going to be given shapes, or we're going to be given the base of a shape, and we have to find the area of that, the area of the base, and then we have to figure out what the height is, and then we take those two times each other. Okay, so let's just jump into an example so that you can kind of see what I'm talking about. This example is from page 89. This is the practice question A. Okay, so they have this shape here and they said, okay, so this is the base of a shape and it is 10 inches tall. Okay, and they're going to say, okay, what is the volume of this shape? Well, first we have to find the area of this, and then we have to take it times 10, which is our height. So we've done these before, so to find the area of this, we're going to start by finding the area of the rectangle. The area of a rectangle is length times width. This is 40 square inches. And then we have to find the area of our semicircle. The area of a circle is radius squared times pi. And our radius is 2, so it's 2 squared times pi. 2 times 2 is 4. Pi is 3.14. So let's see, 12.56 is what 4 times 3.14 is. So this is 12 and 56 hundredths square inches, and we're going to add that together. So 40 square inches plus 12 and 56 hundredths is 52 and 56 hundredths inches. Those two added together, and we're going to take that as the area of our base. See, area of our base up here. So that's the area of our base. We're going to take it times our height, which was 10. That is going to be 525 and 6/10 cubic inches, okay? Cubic inches, because you're taking inch times inch times inch. That's a cubic inch, okay? Think of it as a dice. How many dices are going to fit inside this shape, okay? So that is our answer. Okay, so now we're looking at question B on page 90, and they're giving us a right cylinder, and they're saying, okay, the radius of this is 6 feet, the length is 20 feet, find our volume. So first it says to find the area of the base. Okay, so the base would be the area of this circle on the end, okay? Area of a square, or I'm sorry, an area of a circle is radius squared times pi. Our radius is 6. 6 times 6 is 36 times pi. Let's multiply this through here. And work this through. Okay, so it should be 113 and 4 hundredths for the area there. So 113 and 4 hundredths is that area right there. And then we're going to take that times 20 and get what here? 226 and 8 hundredths. Sorry, 2,260 and 8 hundredths, because I got a 0 there. Okay, So that is in cubic feet. And that is your volume of this shape. Okay? Okay, one last example is question C. This one is really easy because what they're going to give you is they're going to give you this strange shape and they're going to say, hey, guess what? The area of this is 50 square centimeters. So you don't even have to work to find the area of the base. You're already been given the base. So you're going to take the base, 50 times the height of 12, and you're going to get 600 cubic centimeters. So easy. Just the area of the base times the height, and there you go. So that is how you can easily find volume of a right three-dimensional shape.